Dual-headed focus meets minimalist form in this versatile desktop companion. The Baseus refreshing monitor, clip-on and stand-up desk fan delivers efficiency without distractions, merging silent performance with adaptable structure. It redefines airflow delivery with its large air outlet, pushing out a stronger breeze that cools fast and efficiently, even during high-output work sessions. Its clever hanging design lets it mount directly onto your computer monitor, freeing up precious workspace and keeping your area tidy. Slip into a new era of control with Tap XR, designed to fit a wide range of wrist sizes. The package includes 2 adjustable bands, a large spring blue band for wrists over 6.25 inches and a small starlight band for wrists under 6.25 inches in circumference. Setting up takes just minutes with the exclusive mobile apps, allowing you to master tapping techniques anytime, anywhere. Tap XR delivers 2 powerful modes, a fully functional keyboard and an intuitive air mouse. The Move Engine Air Core. OWH redefines what wireless headphones can sound and feel like. Forgoing the trend of closed-back over-design, these headphones adopt a bold, open-back architecture enhanced by their unique AirCore hollow acoustic structure. This isn't just a design choice. It's a philosophy that embraces space, detail, and realism. With a carefully tuned neutral sound signature, the AirCore OWH resists exaggerated highs or swollen lows, aiming instead for purity and precision that mirrors a high-end speaker setup. The Sam and Johnny open-ear headphones are engineered to provide exceptional sound quality and comfort with the latest in audio technology. These headphones leverage Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity for seamless pairing, ensuring a stable and powerful connection with your devices. Featuring innovative bone and air conduction dual speakers, the headphones deliver a unique listening experience that keeps you aware of your surroundings while offering crisp, clear audio. The magnetic microphone enhances the clarity of calls, making them ideal for hands-free conversations on the go. Never miss a moment to look sharp, even when time isn't on your side. The Handyman by Manscaped is engineered for efficiency with a powerful lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 60 minutes of cordless trimming. Running late? A 5-minute quick charge delivers just enough power to freshen up fast. No excuses. Built for movement and mobility, this pocket-sized grooming tool travels light and trims tight. Whether you're prepping for a sudden weekend trip or a last-minute event, the Handyman slips into your DOP kit. Crafted for urban movement, this helmet redefines versatility for cyclists and scooter riders alike. Engineered with an innovative collapsible design, it compresses to nearly half its original size. Ideal for tight backpack storage, lockers, or desk drawers. It's built to serve both men and women, blending convenience with advanced protection for everyday commuting. Safety meets visibility with ultra-bright integrated lights, enhancing your presence whether you're pedaling through pre-dawn streets or cruising home after dark. The Duo Monitor Foldable Smart KVM offers an impressive display range, enhancing your productivity with its 16 to 22.8-inch foldable screen. Equipped with dual 4K/2.5K resolution at 144 Hz, this monitor delivers exceptional clarity and smooth visuals for work or play. The Smart KVM functionality allows seamless control of multiple devices, streamlining your workflow without any lag. The Zero Pump is a compact yet powerful solution for all your inflation needs. Weighing only 1.2 ounces, this ultra-mini electric air pump is designed for convenience and portability, making it perfect for quick inflation of air mattresses, pool floats, and other inflatables. Its rechargeable battery ensures you're always prepared, whether for outdoor activities, travel, or everyday use. Despite its small size, the Zero Pump packs a punch. It effortlessly inflates airbeds, inflatable toys, and more. A home gym doesn't need to sprawl across your living room to be effective. The Joysong Cube Rower redefines compact versatility, giving you the power of a full workout station in a sleek, storable box. Designed for more than just rowing, this smart equipment supports over 80 different workouts, covering everything from core-focused routines and Pilates to upper body strength training and full-body cardio. It's a multifunctional machine engineered for those serious about sculpting their best selves without compromising floor space. In a world where kitchens deserve to stay clean and odor-free, Almaway steps in as the modern solution to an age-old problem: food waste. Instead of letting scraps pile up and rot in a bin, Almaway offers a smarter way forward. With just one button, your leftovers are transformed into nutrient-rich compost without the foul smell, sticky leaks, or daily trips to the outdoor trash. Moonwalkers redefine personal mobility, combining advanced engineering and AI technology for an unparalleled experience. These aren't just shoes, they are your new mode of transportation, offering a seamless, natural ride over any terrain. Moonwalkers feature an innovative 8-wheel system designed to glide effortlessly over bumps, cracks, and uneven ground, providing both speed and stability. Powered by 400 watts and 10 newton meters of torque, these electric shoes conquer hills and obstacles with ease. Tough enough to travel and sharp enough to satisfy, the GKD Plus redefines what a retro handheld console can deliver. At just under 6 inches wide and 3 inches tall, it's small enough to slip into a jacket pocket, yet fully packed with serious gaming muscle. This compact powerhouse comes preloaded with over 2,500 classic games, spanning arcade legends, platformers, and vintage RPGs. The Lethelli Frozen Pack offers an innovative solution for keeping food fresh on the go, blending convenience, power, and portability. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike, this 12-volt car refrigerator rapidly cools from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. Its efficient compressor paired with triple-layer insulation ensures that your items stay cold for up to 4 hours without power. When peak thermal efficiency meets visual sophistication, you get a cooling system that doesn't compromise. The Thick Q60 elevates the AIO standard with a 240mm liquid cooling platform crafted for builders who demand performance and aesthetics. Its 5-inch, ultra-slim HD display delivers real-time stats and customizable visual content, surrounded by 42-pixel QRGB LEDs that add precise, programmable lighting to match any build theme. Crafted from premium Italian leather, this smart wallet combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology. Its minimalist structure ensures it fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, offering both style and practicality. The wallet's standout feature is its RFID protection, which safeguards your sensitive information from electronic theft, providing peace of mind whether you're traveling or simply on the go. Equipped with AirTag tracking, you'll never worry about misplacing your wallet again. Clean air isn't a luxury, it's a daily need. The Quare Plasma Go delivers just that, packing a full-feature purification system into a sleek, go-anywhere form. This isn't just a filter, it's a full-scale defense system against toxins, bacteria, and airborne contaminants. At its core lies the advanced Germagic HEPA 13 filter, engineered to trap particles as small as 0.3 microns. Where most purifiers stop at filtration, the Plasma Go goes further with toxin-killing plasma ion technology. Designed to perform in unforgiving environments, the Dell Latitude 7230 rugged tablet is engineered for professionals who demand reliability without compromise. This 12-inch tablet is powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i5-1240U vPro processor, delivering responsive multitasking and efficient power use. Running Windows 11 Pro, it offers enterprise-grade security and performance, while the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics support smooth visuals and clear imaging for fieldworker diagnostics. Technology meets precision engineering with the Microbit XGO Writer, a compact programmable bipedal robot built to inspire innovation. Designed for both education and entertainment, it features powerful all-metal magnetic encoding bus serial servos at its joints and a FOC wheel hub integrated motor for smooth drive performance. This allows the XGO rider to perform 360-degree full-range, flexible movements with stable posture control, tackling complex motions effortlessly. From online meetings to high-quality streaming, camera placement determines your professional presence. The Mag2 offers a seamless solution, securely mounting your USB-C webcam anywhere along your monitor without damaging your screen. Built with a precision-engineered magnetic system, this mount balances strength and safety, anchoring to screens up to 0.75 inches thick without leaving marks or pressure dents. Unlike clunky mounts or adhesive solutions, the Mag2 delivers a clean, floating look with total flexibility. Grating has finally caught up with convenience. With a single touch, this handheld cheese grater redefines how you prep. Engineered for quick access and cleanup, this innovative tool eliminates the need for pre-washing and fits easily into your fridge after use. Whether you're layering Parmesan over pasta or shredding cheddar for tacos, it delivers fine, uniform results straight from your hand. No countertop mess, no wasted time. The grater's ergonomic grip and compact body give you total control over every motion. When seasonal shifts bring stifling heat or stagnant air, the Tello-Zet circulator rises to the occasion. Engineered with a jet engine-inspired design, this powerhouse circulator blends aerodynamic form with dual BLDC fans to deliver unmatched air propulsion. From bedrooms to living rooms, and even spacious garages, it throws out a concentrated airflow that travels up to 65 feet, effortlessly refreshing large areas with precision. The dual fan system doesn't just cool, it purifies. Suna is a sleek and efficient solar light designed to enhance your living space while harnessing the power of the sun. Its unique, curved design, crafted from durable brass aluminum, mimics the horizon, maximizing surface area for sun-power solar cells to absorb sunlight effectively. Measuring 31.5 inches in length, Suni is mounted securely in front of your window using two sturdy steel wires. For gamers who value precision, comfort, and compatibility across devices, the GameSire X5 Lite delivers performance that stays locked in even when action heats up. Just 0.30 pounds, it's lightweight without sacrificing build quality. Its ergonomic shape and laser-engraved textured grips offer comfort during extended sessions. GameSir Hall Effect sticks deliver anti-drift precision, giving players a tactical edge. Hero Electric Nail Clipper combines modern technology with refined design to deliver a revolutionary grooming experience. This innovative device offers a two-in-one function, both clipping and filing nails effortlessly. Its sleek, stylish design transforms any space into a sophisticated setting, doubling as an exquisite desktop ornament. Safety is at the forefront with built-in infrared detection, ensuring secure operation while preventing accidents. The clippers are thoughtfully designed to be user-friendly, making them ideal for both the elderly and children. The Ivation Automatic Rechargeable Wine Opener offers an efficient, elegant solution for wine lovers. This sleek electric cork extractor makes uncorking bottles a breeze, providing convenience with every use. Powered by a high-capacity lithium battery, it effortlessly uncorks up to 50 bottles on a single charge. The LED light indicator adds a touch of sophistication, making it easy to monitor the process. Beneath a sky blanketed in darkness, clarity takes form through cutting-edge optics. The Yashica Vision isn't just a pair of night vision binoculars, it's a gateway to the unseen. Precision crafted to transform your night adventures, it delivers vivid 4K UHD full-color imagery, even when the light fades to near nothing. With a 3-level IR illuminator, it penetrates total blackness, revealing details up to 1,968 feet away. Not every grinder fits a fast-paced, space-conscious lifestyle, but this one does. The XY Bottle electric coffee grinder redefines portability with a form factor that echoes elegance and utility. Standing 10.8 inches tall and only 2.7 inches in diameter, it's shaped like a slim wine bottle, effortlessly fitting into travel kits, kitchen drawers, or countertop corners. But its compact silhouette isn't just for looks. Equipped with a 200-watt high-torque motor, this grinder transforms whole beans into aromatic grounds in a matter of seconds. The Airleo Duo Eco Air System revolutionizes climate control with its cutting-edge design and patented technology. Combining both cooling and heating capabilities, it offers a versatile solution to regulate your indoor environment throughout the year. One of the most remarkable features of this system is its ability to reduce cooling bills by up to 80%, making it a cost-effective alternative to traditional split AC units. The Alive Audio Oldtimer vinyl player in wood color blends timeless design with modern functionality. This model captures the essence of retro aesthetics while offering the convenience of contemporary technology. Whether you're a vinyl enthusiast or someone who enjoys diverse music formats, this player is the ideal companion. The Oldtimer boasts a range of features, ensuring a complete listening experience. The Vista portable hammock and stand offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience for outdoor relaxation. Designed for those who value both portability and ease of setup, this hammock comes with a lightweight, easy-to-assemble frame that ensures a hassle-free experience wherever you go. Ideal for camping trips, beach days, or backyard lounging, its compact carrying bag allows for easy transportation and storage. Step into the future of compact control with the M1 by MonsterTech, a pocket-sized powerhouse engineered for serious users. Designed for environments where speed and versatility matter, the M1 eliminates the chaos of juggling remotes, cards, and interfaces. Thanks to its integrated infrared technology, it functions as a universal controller, consolidating everything from your TV to your air conditioner into one seamless device. Escape into your favorite stories without eye strain or disturbing others. The Premium Book Light Frame transforms late-night reading into a smooth, focused experience. Designed with an optical-grade magic lighting plate, this innovative frame evenly distributes warm, shadow-free illumination directly onto the page. No hotspots. Walang halos. Just pure, focused light tailored for private moments with your book. Live streaming just got a serious upgrade. The Venus Live V2 is engineered for streamers who demand clarity, consistency, and professional-level control in every frame. Forget extra gear. This camera supports one-tap streaming directly to platforms like TikTok, Twitch, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.